Welcome to know about why Promote ClickFunnels. Why Promote ClickFunnels? Why are we mentioning the ClickFunnels affiliate program? The reason is that it has one of the most lucrative commission rates. ClickFunnels offers promoters 40% recurring commissions on ClickFunnels monthly accounts. If this wasn't enough to be classified as the best affiliate marketing program for advertisers, ClickFunnels also provides a 5% commission for every monthly account sold by a promoter who signed up under you. In addition to this, ClickFunnels has to die for bonus prizes, including leasing your dream car through its Dream Car program. How do share funnels work? Share funnels is another cool feature in ClickFunnels that lets you share your funnel with other people. Every funnel that you have created via your account has a unique share funnel URL. You can easily share this URL with others. When a user clicks on the share funnel link and they don't have an account, they can start their free 14-day trial of ClickFunnels. What's cool about this is that the client actually gets tracked back to you, and you will receive an affiliate commission for bringing in a new ClickFunnels member. When they sign up, the entire sales funnel will show up in their account, and they will be able to edit it in any way that they wish. You can make a lot of money while using the Share Funnels feature. Click the link below this video for more updates. How to become a merchant and have affiliates sell your product. If you want to be on the other side of the table, meaning that you want to be part of the affiliate marketing program where you are the merchant, you can do so as easily as you were carrying out your business of promoting other people's products. Here is what you can do. For becoming a merchant, the first thing that you need to do is to come up with a product idea. You have to decide on a product that is already popular among people so that you can reach a good sales figure. The next step relates to the validation of your idea. There is literally no point in creating a product that has zero likability among people. You have to survey and find out whether your product is what people want. Once you have completed the first two steps, it's time for you to actually create the product. The last step is to find an affiliate who would promote and market your product. For this, you can create an affiliate marketing program. Thanks for watching this video.